Excuse me, are you Carlos? Carlos from the university? The one I used to study with in economics class? Are you that Carlos? Yes, I am Carlos. That's my name. But who are you? Wait a minute. Is that you? You are Daniel, right? Yes, you are. The friend I used to walk with to campus every morning. Carlos. Wow, I can't believe it. We used to sit next to each other in class. You used to share your notes with me before exams. Do you remember that? You used to talk about big dreams all the time. And now, well, yeah, I remember that. You used to complain about early classes. I remember you always arrived late to classes, sometimes sleepy. Yeah, because those classes used to start too early. I never liked waking up early. Yeah, I know. It was very tiring. I remember those times. You used to say you wanted to open your own company and change the world. Yes, that's right. And I worked hard for that to happen. But I'm really surprised to see you here. You used to be one of the best students in our class. You used to understand everything so fast. You were very intelligent. Hey, I am still very intelligent. I can solve many problems. I don't doubt it, but I don't want to be rude, man. Are you a homeless? Um, what can I tell you? Life changed a lot after graduation. I used to think, I used to believe talent was enough. I used to think opportunities would always come. And now you used to say you wanted to be a great manager in a big company. You were very ambitious. What happened to you? Well, many things, I suppose. Things didn't go as I planned. I lost my first job. My father got sick. My mother lost her job. I had to take any work I could find. I had to work hard to eat. I can't believe it. So, is that how you ended up here on the street? Well, kind of. But it wasn't always like that. Things used to be different. I used to reject the small jobs. I used to wait for something better. But that perfect moment never came, and I had no time to wait anymore. So I had to take any job. I earned little money and I lost my house. What? Your house? You used to live in a beautiful house. That was never my house. It was the house of a friend of my mother. And yeah, we used to live there and we used to be very happy living there. But my mother lost her job, her friend died, and we lost that house. We didn't used to worry about that in the past, but owning a house is important. I see. We used to dream together. We used to study all night. We used to promise we would work together again one day. I remember that you used to say luck was important. I didn't understand it back then, but I understand that now. No matter how hard you try, sometimes things don't go as planned. I used to work hard every single day, but suddenly everything changed. I understand. In my case, I was lucky. I met the right people. I used to believe that studying economics was going to be the solution to everything. But then I realized it wasn't enough. I finished studying just like you, but I didn't get a job. Then I started to become a pilot. I got help at the right time. Then I opened my own company. Wow, I'm happy for you, Daniel. Really, we used to be good friends. I used to imagine myself wearing a suit and working in an office too. At least one of us made it. I'm really happy for you. I am proud of you. I know it doesn't mean much coming from this homeless person, but no, it means a lot to me. And you are right. We used to be good friends. You had the talent for it. You used to explain difficult topics to everyone. You used to motivate people. When I wanted to give up, you didn't let me. Yeah, I used to be confident. I used to speak in class without fear. But after many disappointments, I stopped believing in myself. You know, I used to think success was only money and titles. Now I think it's also dignity and responsibility. You are right. Well, I suppose now I have no dignity. Don't say that. You're still that intelligent person I used to know. I see your past. I see the man you used to be. And I don't know. I don't know how to feel. I am sorry. I didn't expect this, my friend. No, don't worry. You are not the first person to be surprised. I usually find many people I know around here. They are surprised too. Sometimes I still miss that person. I used to have dreams, energy, and hope. Yeah, you were a wonderful student and a better friend. Maybe it's not too late. In my company, I'm looking for someone honest and responsible. What are you saying? You don't want a homeless working in your company. No, I don't see a homeless. I see my old friend, a good person. I see a smart man who wants to change the world. Am I right? So, I'd like to offer you a job in my company. What do you say? I I don't know what to say. I used to believe my story was finished. It's not finished. Not yet. I know you still have a lot to offer, my friend. Hearing this gives me hope. I almost forgot what hope felt like. You won't be judged by your past, only by your effort and your honesty. Then I accept with gratitude and humility. I'm really happy for you, my friend. Thanks for accepting. No, thank you. I am very happy. Today I learned something. Even if life changes us, friendship and second chances can bring us back. And maybe one day we'll say this moment was the beginning of a new story. Not the end of an old one, but the start of something better, yes.